In 1852, Lesjöfors produced its first spring. It was a compression spring to a customer we have kept ever since. In those days, it was handmade springs that we supplied the market, and not too many annually. Today, we have 13 factories in Sweden, Denmark, England, Finland, Latvia, and in China. And more factories are in process of becoming a member of the Lesjöfors group. The first factory in the group, up in the village of Lesjöfors, is still the biggest factory and also one of the most modern we have in Europe. Lesjöfors has always given priority to spring technology, defined as knowledge about springs as design components. This gives us an understanding of the demands that our products are expected to comply with. At the same time, we have the wide knowledge needed to collaborate on spring design at all phases of a development project. From concept studies to production start. We do calculations with our in-house design software for linear springs and for springs with non-linear characteristics. Or when the geometry or loading case is complicated, we use our own FEM software. Our goal is to be able to predict the behavior of everything we make. Each factory is certified according to ISO 9001:2000 and ISO 14001 at least. Several of our factories are certified according to tougher standards like ISO TS and TIF. We see it as important to exceed the level of expectations that our customers have on us, which is beneficial for both parties. Good quality in good environmental concern doesn't cost anything. Bad quality does. By leading this, we benefit from it by attracting new customers, having better productivity and less remanufacturing costs. All of our factories are experts within their territory. For example, regarding compression springs, our factory in Denmark are specialists from 0.03 to 4.5 millimeters of wire diameter, and our factory in Finland are specialists from 16.0 to 65.0 millimeters of wire or bar, as it actually is in those dimensions. And when it comes to wire forms, tension and torsion springs, we have other factories that are specialists in those areas. We are of course overlapping the range and product areas in some mode. By having smart solutions in our businesses, we can surely count on a significant increase in customer satisfaction. Since we can't see any competitor having the same history, the same technological advantage, the same financial background, and the same type of dedicated owners, we can only see the brightness in the future. Big companies more and more often are looking for the most complete suppliers there are. And with our 13 factories, an ever-growing group, we are the most complete supplier there is in the spring manufacturing business.